Hypnosis for overcoming the fear of being robbed. So when you're ready, find somewhere you will not be disturbed. And as you do, take a moment to settle into a comfortable position, one where it feels right just for you. And maybe your hands will rest gently on your lap, or perhaps they'll find a comfortable place by your sides. There's no need to rush, just notice how your body begins to find its own sense of ease. And as you sit there, you might become aware of the rhythm of your breath, softly flowing in and out, naturally, effortlessly, or perhaps you'll notice how the surface beneath you gently supports you, as though it's saying to you, you're safe here, and you can let go. Nobody wants anything, nobody needs anything, and any sounds around you, inside or out or in the distance, will take you deeper relaxed. Now, as you continue to relax further, you might start to wonder where the sense of calm will begin. Will it start in your shoulders, softly releasing tension? Or perhaps it will flow into those hands as they grow warmer and heavier. Or maybe it will settle in your legs, grounding you deeply into this moment. And isn't it interesting how relaxation seems to find its own way, moving naturally through every part of you? And as your eyelids grow heavier and heavier, so comfortably heavy that it feels easier to allow them to close. And you might notice how much better it feels to simply let go, as you don't have to close them just yet. But if they do, you might find it even more restful that way. And isn't it fascinating that the harder you try to keep them open, the more they naturally want to close, as though your mind is gently inviting you to relax even more deeply. And with every breath out, it's as though you're releasing something unnecessary, like tension, stray thoughts, or even the need to try. And with each breath in, you're filling yourself with calmness, ease, and lightness, as though a soothing wave is flowing into every part of you. Whether this calmness begins at the top of your head or flows upward from your toes, it doesn't really matter. What matters is how deeply it settles in, leaving you feeling lighter, steadier, and completely at peace. And as that continues to happen, now, as your body rests so peacefully, your mind is ready to explore a new way of thinking about safety and security, a way that feels calm, empowering, and deeply reassuring. As safety is a state of mind, a feeling of knowing that you are protected, prepared, and fully in control. And while the fear of being robbed may have once felt overwhelming, your mind is now beginning to see it differently. You are safe, you are secure, and you have the ability to create an environment of peace around you. So imagine yourself in a place where you feel completely safe. It might be your home, a favorite room, or even a peaceful location that you've always loved. And in this space you are surrounded by calm, by steadiness, by a sense of complete protection. And you notice how every corner feels secure, every door feels strong, and every part of this space is designed to keep you safe. Now, picture yourself moving through your daily life with this same sense of security. Whether you are at home, outside, or in any other place, you carry this feeling of calm and control with you. You notice how your mind remains clear, your body stays steady, and your instincts guide you confidently. You are aware of your surroundings, prepared and alert, but not afraid, because you know that you are safe. And isn't it interesting how the part of you that once felt uneasy is beginning to shift. It's as though that part is learning something new, discovering that fear is no longer needed. Instead, you feel a sense of quiet strength, a reassurance that you can handle any situation calmly and effectively. And you might even imagine shrinking that old fear down, making it smaller and smaller, until it's just a tiny speck that drifts away, leaving behind a sense of confidence and clarity. And as that happens from now on, whenever you think about safety or find yourself in a situation where fear once arose, you'll notice a growing sense of ease. The thought of being robbed will no longer feel overwhelming. It will feel manageable, neutral, or even insignificant. And your mind will remind you, I am safe, I am prepared, and I am in control. And each time you move through your day, you'll find it easier and easier to trust yourself, to trust your environment, and to feel secure. The fear of being robbed will no longer feel like a weight. It will feel like a fading memory, replaced by a deep sense of safety and confidence. And you'll notice how your breathing stays steady, how your body feels secure, and how naturally your mind embraces this balance. You are free now, free to live without the weight of fear, free to enjoy your surroundings with confidence, free to live each day with peace and assurance. And each time you breathe, you'll feel that freedom growing, filling you with lightness, calm, and a deep sense of security. And as that happens, from this moment forward, every time you think about or encounter thoughts of safety, you'll feel calm, steady, and completely at ease. Your mind will instinctively guide you toward feelings of security and preparation, reminding you that you are always in control of your surroundings. Each experience will strengthen your sense of calm, and any old fears will continue to fade into the past. You'll feel lighter, freer, and more confident in your ability to navigate life's moments, knowing that you're always safe and secure. Now, I don't know if those changes have begun now before your eyes open, or will they begin as your eyes open? I'll allow you to discover that for yourself, but in a moment I'll count from 1 to 5, and with each number you'll return to the present moment, bringing with you all the calm, confidence and clarity you've created today. 1, beginning to return, feeling lighter and refreshed. 2, bringing with you this deep sense of security and balance. 3, becoming aware of the room around you, steady and grounded. And 4, almost fully present now, ready to approach life with calm and confidence. And 5, eyes open, fully awake, feeling calm, empowered, and completely at ease.